You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name, pronunciation, medicine. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you how to pronounce. The brand name is KEFLEX. Stress on the flex syllable, KEFLEX. The name of the molecule is pronounced as cephalexin. Cepha as in the brain, lexin. Cephalexin, aka KEFLEX. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.